Hi guys, I thought I'd shoot you this quick video. It's Monday the 12th of April and this is probably the most steadiest income that I've got. You know, it's just every week I withdraw, no problem. I've never had any problems withdrawing out of this, and I'm going to show you what I've withdrawn in total. But look, I've got the magic freeze here, $333 to be able to withdraw out for this week, and I withdraw out of these normally on a Saturday, but I'm a bit late to the table today because I was busy at the weekend. But anyway, let's withdraw this $333. Now with this particular platform, let me come down to request a withdrawal. With this particular platform, it's the pros are doing the trading for you, okay? So let me just get this out of the way. But they've also got copy trading, and I'm lucky to be one of the copy traders. So that's just fantastic. Let me just put my Google Authenticator in there while we're chatting. So I'm lucky to be one of the the testers for the copy trading. So it's 24464 and click confirm. That's that done. Payment it says request accepted. So that's there pending. So if you look here, you see if I come down the bottom, these are all the payments that I've got. I've got 3 screens here. In total, I've withdrawn out of here $6,712.96. I started here with $300. Okay, now I'm going to be doing some videos on this week. It's paid every week, and I get great returns every week. But let me show you the copy trading. So I deposited in here £1,000 originally. Okay, this is pounds, not dollars, and I've withdrawn out. I'll show you that in a moment. But if I come to the trades and I look at the trade history, look, I've got a loss there, but these are all winning trades. Now this is all in they're testing this at the moment. I'm not sure when it's going to launch. Hopefully I can get some more information about that this week. Look, there's another losing trade there. But as you can see, in general, I've got winning, win, win, win. And if I come over to copy trading down here, I've made a total profit of £317.54. Absolutely mind-blowing. And that's all coming soon in this platform. It's going to be live for everybody. I've been lucky enough to be one of the testers, and this is the copy trading. So you're going to have the copy trading where you have control of your funds. I can withdraw this money out of here. It's got nothing to do with this company at all. They can't access these funds. I can withdraw this out, stop copy trading them, and withdraw that money back to my UK bank. I put that in from my UK bank, and I can pay that back to my UK bank. But I've also got plans in here where I've deposited some money. I started with $300. I've upgraded as I've gone from profits. I've put some money in that I've profited from other programs. But basically, I want to get this up to a 100k package. And I'm doing that really by compounding. So I'm going to be covering this in a bit more detail because this I'm really happy with. It pays me every week. I've never had a problem with withdrawal. It's like clockwork. Every week I put in a withdrawal, every week I get paid. So if you're serious about having a passive income in 2021, then below this video you're going to find a link. Click that. It's going to take you over to a page just like this one where you can pop your name and your email address in, and I'll keep you up to date with all the passive incomes I'm involved in. And I've got a new passive income that I'm working on at the moment, and I shall be revealing that soon. But it's completely different to anything you've seen before. If you want to get in on that and you want to find out what it is, again, click the link below the video and let me have your name and your email address. You have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.